Hello everyone, so this week's taster video is about the module Cooking for Fun. It is one of our most popular modules in the Distance Learning Hub. And I can definitely understand why, because you are able to cook so many nice and delicious recipes and you bake so many nice and delicious goods. So I'll just quickly take you through the module so you can get an overview of what you can do over the course of 12 or 24 weeks. So it is in your skills section, as you can see here, and I've already signed up for the module, so it shows me continue learning. So let's click on the module, and now we're getting to the course page. So you can see a wee description here, and some examples that you'll be learning are hygiene and safety in the kitchen, menu planning, practical cooking, so that includes your baking and cooking, and obviously also savoring what you have cooked and baked and sharing it with friends or family and getting their opinion as well. So you can see here the detailed curriculum. And there's loads of nice, delicious recipes, sweet and savory, baking and cooking. So, and this module also offers the option for you to listen to the materials instead of reading it. So let me show you. Let's go into the module. So here it says as well, so there's a wee message of us here, and when you scroll through it, you can see there's a recording here. So you can read it, you can listen to it and read it at the same time, or you can just listen to it, whatever suits you best. This is one of the advantages to this module. And as usual, so we start off, the module starts off with the hygiene and safety, what you need to be aware of in the kitchen while you're cooking. And here again, here is the audio content also for you to download, to listen on the go. Or if you prefer to read or to read while you listen, here is the PDF for this week. And then you will also learn about converting different measurements. So for example, some of the recipes you'll be using, maybe not so much in this module, but in your life might be using US measurements instead of UK ones. So here you will quickly learn and easily learn how to convert those measurements. So you can convert them from US to UK or from UK to US and so forth. And then we get into all those different nice recipes. So you can choose, if you're doing a 12-week one, you can choose 12 recipes. If you're doing 24 weeks, you'll be able to try them all. How exciting. So you can see there's loads of baking, chocolate cupcakes or flourless chocolate cake, but there's also savory cooking dishes like meatloaf and roasted potatoes, couscous dish, chicken recipes, pizza, yeah, and some traditional ones as well, like some of the classic ones, spaghetti bolognese and garlic bread. So basically, this module is about experiencing and experimenting with different recipes and, yeah, getting together with your family or your friends and cooking it together, getting their help, getting their opinion, and then also eating together and just seeing how it tastes and what you can maybe do better the next time. So yeah, this was just a quick run through to give you an idea of what this module is about and if you like to give it a go. If you do, just enroll on the module. If you need any help, you can contact us at any time on the Get Support button or on the contact up here. You can drop us an email, you can phone the office, and we'll be able to help you out. Right, I hope to see you in the Distance Learning Hub.